Drive carefully. Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So I'm out on a day trip with my sisters Joy, the winner of the sister tag, she's focusing on, and Emma, the loser. And we're off to a seaside town called Whitstable. And are we just going to eat? Yes, I don't know yet. We don't know. Okay, we don't know what we're doing, but we will go with the flow. I just thought I'd bring you along so you can see a day in my life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and enjoy. Look at the sea! Beautiful! So excited. I have been to Whitstable before, and the last time was on a school trip like years ago, and I loved it so much that I was like, I'm gonna live in Whitstable when I'm older. I don't know now, but it's such a beautiful town and I'm so happy to be back, and seeing the sea, we're so excited. We made it! They have some really cute houses. Buzzing. We are here and man, God is so good. As we got here, the car park was entirely full and we've just gotten a space. One lady was asking if we're going and she's given us her space. God is so good. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.
Thank you. Done it. We now have our food and are heading to Emma to meet her. Took quite a while, but I'm so excited to eat some now. Cod and chips, perfect for the seaside.
Can't get
Went the
out.
wrong way. We're here! Whoa! The queue was long. Time for some food. We got for two. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite big. How's that? Okay. Trying to figure out. You can't even see it on camera. Oh, there you go. Where that is? Is it? I think it's London actually. It's not focusing now. It could be. Because it just looks like cities.
That's the Midway Bridge. I think
Oh.
London is not on water.
Good point. Trust Joy to remember the wine with her. Oh yeah, bro girl. So, little interview. Emma, how are you finding your beach experience?
It's great.
It's cool. It's fun. Your makeup still on?
Yeah.
Impeccable.
A
Well
little
done.
bit of highlight.
Oh, thank you. Now let's see your highlight.
You can't even see it.
You can't see it.
You can't see it.
Joy, how are you finding your beach experience?
It's very nice.
Very nice.
She's all about
Because she's got her drinks with her. It is very nice.
Get the Beveragginos.
Did someone say Beveragino?
Did someone say that?
We watch too much TikTok. Her more than me.
I don't know what that means.
You know what it
I
means.
don't know what that means.
Do you want a Beveragino?
No. I don't know what. Very good.
Time for a fresh donut. What do you think? She said very good. Right, let's give you my honest and real opinion on camera. Oh my gosh. So good.
So weird.
It's like churros.
Oh, just without the cinnamon.
Tend to be for a day trip.
I haven't been out in town enough. I need to do it enough with my dad. So I was thinking it all the time summertime. I can't even see them. I can't see.
Oh, well done.
Hang on.
You spilled it on yourself.
You need to turn my right and left. Or just take the glasses off.
Oh yeah, taking your glasses off will definitely make you see better.
Oh, wait, am I not in it?
No, you're definitely not. One girl said her lunch cost her £57. Ours cost
Where?
us £10 for
Here?
the three of us.
The pub.
Probably.
Right.
Time to go.
You took your keys out, yeah.
Oh, that was so much fun. And now I'm so tired. And we spent like only 2 hours, which felt like so much longer. So, yeah, what to do again.
Right. This one just gone.
So, at the petrol station, some guys looking at me filming, but I'm gonna still film. We had a really good day, and look, I'm so much darker. I caught the sun, guys, and I'm tired. So that's the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And my dirty feet now because
I
of
haven't
the
ended
beach.
the vlog yet.
You won't end it. What else am I doing today?
We still have Domino's to get.
You heard it here first. Okay, we're not over yet, but still give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I don't know if I'm going to upload this because I don't know if it'll be interesting enough. It might just be like a personal video, but we will see. We'll see how it comes out in the edit. Because I don't think I filmed that much because we were just enjoying the moment, you know. Yeah, she knows. What about you? Are you sure? I've got like stuff all over the camera. Oh man, I think you're all smudged. Oh, to make you feel you're the one. Back from an amazing day at the beach. That was really, really fun and nice to be back home. I'm now gonna rest because I'm tired. But props to Joy for driving because I probably would have fallen asleep because I'm tired. But now I'm gonna go watch some Below Deck because I'm just obsessed with that show and Chevron. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna chill. And do you like my new phone case? It's got cherries on it from Lipton. Some H&M. That's really cute. So yeah, time for some Below Deck.